Hello guys, and welcome back to new video. So let me show you the latest new update of Aimogen, as it is able now to have different prompts and different settings for images from the article and the featured image of the article. So this was a limitation until now. The plugin was able to use only the same settings for the featured image and for article images, but in the latest updates this will be no more anymore. So you can set different settings for the featured image and different settings for article images. So let me show you this. Don't forget, Aimogen is linked in this video's description. So let's create a topic-based article in the bulk AI post creators. So let's go and create cats and dogs. Some basic article title, and let me show you first. So in the let's use a royalty-free image for the featured image, and let's use Aimogen API DALL-E free using this prompt for article images. Also, let's create only 2 sections just to make this video shorter, as each section will take up time to be produced, as each section will create a featured image. So I have here this testing post only on my site, and we can follow here the progress. Currently the plugin is write the content of post section for the heading, unique behaviors, image, and now it creates a compelling image for this section, and this is for the article section, as we set here to use DALL-E free images for the article section. And after this is finished, we can see that it creates another high resolution with a visually compelling image. Practical tips for creating harmonious home for both pets. So after this is finished, we should see it create outro, and this is it, the outro, and afterwards the article will be ready. So after the green check mark appears, we will be able to check the front end of our site, and here it is. Let's refresh, and yeah, this is the royalty-free image, which is a real image. You can see that it is with cut off whiskers, and it is not having that AI perfection. And here it is, an AI generated image and another AI generated image for practical tips. And keep in mind, you can make the article as long as you wish. You can use as many images in it as you wish, number of sections to generate, add an image to each heading of the article. Checkbox will also create an image for each heading, or you can set the number of images here if you uncheck this. So keep in mind, you can use now a royalty-free image, or you can set a different type of AI image for the featured image, and similarly you can set a different type of featured image for also article images. So this is the latest update. Go ahead, check Aimogen in this video's description. Thanks for watching. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Bye bye.